Or get one leg in. Oh, you're fine. No, it's okay.
Anne puts her pants on one leg at a time, just like any other cat. Get the tail through first.
The tail's through.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. It's just these little legs. So we got so far. I know, honey. I'm so mean to you. Well, if you put your legs through.
Once they get on, like, pet her a little bit so that she knows it's okay.
You're okay, baby.
Are they on?
Oh, you're okay, honey. I just want to break her little leg.
I wouldn't worry too much about that.
Oh, there we go. There's a good girl. She's not having it. Good girl. That wasn't too bad.